Hi everybody, this is Marcus here and welcome back. I want to teach you something more. Last time we talked about the difference between trading and investing, and then the question that I got was, well, which one's better? Is trading better or is investing better? Obviously it depends what your outcome is. But Marcus, my outcome obviously is to make a shed load of money. I said, yes, I understand that of course, but how much time do you have? Right? If you don't have a lot of time, then obviously you're going to have to be doing more investing for the long term. Okay? If you have more time, then maybe you should be doing trading. Also, it depends on your risk tolerance. Okay? When you're investing, we don't have something called a stop loss. I'm going to cover that on another video. A stop loss, it's an automatic order that stops your losses. Okay? We don't have one in investing. So it could go down 10, 20, 30, 40% before it starts going back up. Whereas with trading, we always have this stop loss. So we never risk more than 1% of our entire portfolio that we are investing. So therefore, that's another reason. Risk tolerance. And then there's your character. Like, do you feel like you're somebody who wants to get in and get out and get in and get out of the market? Or are you somebody who, like, you just want to long-term invest and, yes, it might go up, it might go down, but in the long term, you know that it's going to go up. So it really does have a lot to do with that. Now, if you were to ask me, which one is better? I'd ask you those questions and then I'd say, based on your questions, I think you should do both. You should do both. You shouldn't be doing, I'm going to be trading, I'm a trader. Look, if you have time to do trading, then you should definitely be doing investing, because I tell you, some of the strategies that we teach when it comes to investing are insane. I mean, you've got to be doing both, in my opinion. If you want to put time on it, I would say trading 20 minutes a day. Now, you could be doing intraday trading, buying, selling during the day. You're stuck to the, that is not, I mean, I used to do that. Believe me, you do not want to do that. I can tell you some stories. You don't want to do that. Like you don't want to. And so I realized that really the market needs time to move. So we do kind of the best of both. So we do 20 minutes a day. Then there are some strategies that are 20 minutes a week, and then kind of investing strategies that are 20 minutes a month. You choose which one is the best one for you. But I can tell you, even the people that say to me, yeah, but Marcus, I don't really have time to do 20 minutes a day. I'll do 20 minutes a week or a month. When they see the results, they'll go, you know that one that's 20 minutes a day? Is there any chance you could show me that one? Because of course, you do have 20 minutes a day. Especially when it's at the same time every day. Either in the morning or lunchtime. Do you have time at lunch? Or do you have time in the evening? And this might even surprise you to know that the strategies that we trade, the markets don't even need to be open. Therefore, you can do it at night. If you're an insomniac and can't sleep, you can even go, well, there's no point me being here, kind of turning and moaning and going, I can't sleep for 2 hours. You might as well get up, make some money, and then come back. But you won't make money because you're not trading live, but you're placing the trade for when the market opens. So, to answer the question, what is better, trading or investing? The answer is both.